What if I told you that in just 1 week, I cracked the code to getting noticed on Fiverr, landing my first order and a 5-star review without any prior freelancing experience? The secret? Offering a service that's been flying under the radar but has massive earning potential: automated cash cow video editing. In just 7 days, I went from being another hopeful seller to delivering my first gig with a perfect review. Want to know exactly how I pulled it off? Stay tuned, because I'm revealing the step-by-step strategy that can get you results fast, even in a crowded marketplace. When I first created my Fiverr account, I was excited, but also a bit nervous. I had heard stories of people waiting weeks for their first order, and I wondered if I would face the same fate. But instead of just waiting and hoping for the best, I decided to take a proactive approach. I knew that if I wanted to get noticed quickly, I needed to stand out in a crowded marketplace. So I began by carefully selecting my niche: automated cash cow video editing. This niche was perfect because it combined my passion for video editing with the growing demand for content that can generate passive income. With my niche in mind, I was ready to take the next steps. Step 1. Crafting the perfect gig. The first and most important step was to create a gig that not only looked professional, but also grabbed attention. I spent a significant amount of time researching other successful sellers in the video editing niche to see what they were doing right. I noticed that their gig titles were clear, concise, and keyword-rich. So I crafted a gig title that was straightforward yet compelling: Automated Cash Cow Video Editing, Passive Income Content Creation. This title was designed to catch the eye of buyers looking to create or enhance their automated cash cow channels. Next, I worked on the gig description. This part was crucial because it was my opportunity to sell my skills and convince potential buyers that I was the right person for the job. I wrote a description that highlighted my experience in video editing, the benefits of automated cash cow videos, and what set me apart from other sellers. I also made sure to use a friendly and professional tone to build trust with potential clients. To make my gig even more appealing, I created a visually striking gig image that emphasized the automated cash cow concept. I knew that first impressions matter, so I designed an image that was both eye-catching and informative, clearly conveying what my service was about and why buyers should choose me. Finally, I set my pricing strategically. Since I was just starting out, I opted for a competitive price point to attract my first clients while ensuring it still reflected the value of my service. Step 2. Optimizing my profile. Your Fiverr profile is like your business card. It's the first thing potential buyers see, so it needs to be top-notch. I spent time polishing my profile to ensure it was complete and professional. I started by uploading a high-quality profile picture that was clear and inviting. I also wrote a concise yet engaging bio that highlighted my skills, experience, and passion for video editing, particularly in the automated cash cow niche. I made sure to include keywords relevant to my niche to increase the chances of my profile appearing in search results. To build credibility, I linked my Fiverr profile to my social media accounts and added any relevant certifications or qualifications I had. This not only showed that I was serious about my work, but also helped to build trust with potential buyers. Step 3. Promoting my gig. I started by sharing my gig on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I joined relevant groups and communities where potential clients might hang out and subtly promoted my services without being too pushy. I also reached out to my personal network, letting friends and family know about my new venture and asking them to spread the word. Step 5. Delivering quality work. As I began promoting my gig, I started receiving inquiries from potential buyers. I knew that responding quickly and professionally was key to converting these inquiries into actual orders. Finally, after all the hard work of setting up my gig, optimizing my profile, promoting my services, and responding to inquiries, I received my first order. I was thrilled, but I also knew that this was just the beginning. I had to deliver outstanding work to ensure the client was happy. I approached the project with a focus on quality and attention to detail. I carefully followed the buyer's instructions and made sure to communicate regularly throughout the process, providing updates and asking for feedback when necessary. When the project was complete, I delivered it on time and included a polite message thanking the buyer for their trust in me. I also offered to make any revisions if needed, ensuring the client was 100% satisfied with the final product. The moment of truth came when the client left their review. I was overjoyed to see a glowing 5-star review, along with positive feedback praising the quality of my work and professionalism. This not only validated my efforts, but also boosted my confidence in continuing to grow my Fiverr business. If you're just starting on Fiverr or struggling to get your first order, I encourage you to follow these steps and stay persistent. Success might not come overnight, but with the right approach and mindset, you can land your first order and start building a thriving freelance business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below.